StudyMoore.com.
Next is also from exercise 13.1. Question number 8. The question is, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. The question is, there is a cylinder whose diameter or radius and height is given. From this, of same height and same diameter or radius, a conical cavity is cut out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. This is the question. So, we are drawing a rough sketch of the given figure. Here is a cylinder. This is the given cylinder. Let this be the given cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Height h is equal to 2.4 centimeter. And diameter is 1.4 centimeter, means radius is equal to 0.7. This is equal to 0.7. From this, a cone of the same height and same radius like this is cut out. We have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. So, we can write as height of the cylinder h is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 2r is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, radius r is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Now, a cone is cut out which is of the same diameter and the same height. This height is equal to the height of the cylinder. This is also equal to 2.4. Now, we have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid, means total surface area. TSA means total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to base area of cylinder. Base area of cylinder plus CSA of cylinder. CSA means curved surface area of cylinder plus CSA of cone, curved surface area of cone. For that, we have to find out the slant height L of the cone. This is the slant height L, this is H and this is R. The formula connecting L, H and R is equal to slant height. Slant height L is equal to root of H square plus R square. That means L is equal to root of H square, which is equal to 2.4 the whole square plus radius R is equal to 0.7 square. This is equal to 2.4 square is equal to 5.76 plus 0.7 square is equal to 0.49. Adding, this is equal to 6.25, which is equal to 2.5. Here we are getting the slant height of cone as 2.5 centimeter. Now we can give the values. First of all, we are writing the formula and giving the values. Base area of cylinder is equal to pi r square plus CSA of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi r h, and CSA of cone is equal to pi r l. Here also the radii of cylinder and cone are equal. So, we can take pi r as a common factor from these three terms. Taking pi r as a common factor, the remaining is r plus 2h plus L. Taking pi r as a common factor, multiplying pi r into r is equal to pi r square, 2h into pi r is equal to 2 pi r h, then pi r into L is equal to pi r L. Now we are giving the values. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and radius r is equal to 0.7, which can be written as 7 by 10. 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10. Now we are giving r, again r as 0.7 plus 2h, 2 into 2.4, 2 into 2.4 plus L, which is equal to 2.5. 2.5. So much centimeter square. This 7 and 7 cancelled. 22 by 10 into 0.7 plus 2 into 2.4 is equal to 4.8 plus 2.5 centimeter square. Adding 22 by 10 into 2.5 plus 4.8 plus 0.7. It is 8.0 means 8. Multiplying 176 by 10 means 17.6 centimeter square. We are required to write the answer to the nearest centimeter square. Since it is 17.6, the decimal part is greater than 5. So, we can write the answer as 18 centimeter square approximately. The approximated value corrected to the nearest centimeter square is 18 centimeter square is the total surface area of the remaining solid. It is 18 centimeter square approximately, because in the question itself they are asking us to write the answer to the nearest centimeter square. So 17.6 is nearly equal to 18 centimeter square. So the required answer is 18 centimeter square approximately. Okay.